Hi everyone, Diane here. Welcome to my channel. Hope everyone's well today. I'm just going to have a go at the moment at painting a few little birds. I don't know how they're going to turn out at the moment, but I'm going to paint them using my set of mixed up blues and greens. Here, this is just all sorts of colours, all on the blue-green spectrum. And I'm just painting circles. Three bluebirds. I'm using sketch paper, nothing special. And we need a twig. But we probably need some leaves as well. So just pop some leaves in there. Normally do those at the end, but I thought, well, I don't know. Maybe I'll do them now and make them green and turquoise to match. Always like dropping another colour in once you've got a wet thing going. Okie dokie. So having done that, we need to think about the next thing. Which is going to be, I'm going to pick up a Poetique water brush, this is. I'll just put some legs in. And then we need a beak. We need some beaks. So you never know where to put them, but I suppose it better be facing that way. Okay, and then we need a darker colour for the eye, so we're going to go for a black. Pop in an eye. I always find that they look better when they're close to the beak, quite low down. You can make them bigger if you want. And now it's tail time. And I think we're going to do nice blue. I don't know why I picked up the brush, this paint, this thing. I'm not sure, but maybe it was a good idea. Green. No, that's maybe. Don't give up. And I haven't got a turquoise one handy, so I'll have to go to the mattresses. Okay. You can really practice your leaves when you're doing something like this, mixing the colours and just practicing this dropping in of colour. And then we want to make some wings, so we just do that. And now we want, I think, a white pen. Little dot in the eye. When you use a white gel pen, the tip is to just not press too hard. It's very difficult actually to remember not to press too hard, but it makes all the difference if you just let it glide across the surface. Then it works. Of course, it doesn't work terribly well when the paint is wet. Which is what we have here. So there we are, there's my morning warm-up for you. 3 little whimsical dicky birds sitting on a branch, all in turquoise and blue. So just a real quickie there to get you started for the day. Hope you enjoyed that, and I'll see you again soon. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and come back again soon, everybody. Bye-bye for now. Bye now.